Man, I'm getting tired. That thing's hitting me in the ballpark hot dogs. Damn it. Ugh. Asshole. Are you kidding me? What is so hard about it? Smile. Are you coming out?
In pieces.
Jesus Christ, man, this thing's...
Bent tube's gotta come off now. Reach underneath there and see if you come off there.
What do you have hooked on here?
Bent tube. And pull it off the bottom of the, like right down here.
I ain't gonna be able to get past that bar down there. Why not up here? Does that just slide on there?
Yeah. Good deal. Pop it up.
Jesus Christ.
Part of the upper dash.
Chevy Cap, man, you ain't lying about that brace.
Braces all the way across.
That's a mess, man. What's that car worth?
Shit.
That's what he's working on. That's what I'm working on. Now I got everything back together in here. All that stuff's got to go up front. Then the shit that fell on me's got to go off. Piece of brass and copper. The big ACR, the two ACRs, the big compressor. This is copper that came out of this thing. And then the brass piece came out of the water heater. And these things, you can see in there, is electrical outlets. It's like breaker boxes. And these things are, they're 150 pounds. Ow. Okay, here, let go. Kill me.
Not like crazy heavy, but it's got some weight. wasn't that heavy. I think I'll go with the big one.
Think you go with the washer?
That drove off. Okay, heavy area.
Ooh, that's a heavy one.
It's full of water, it's gotta be.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know why it's not moving though. God damn it. It's in feet, is what it is.
Walk it. You need this back.
We need the side.
Oh, it's a dryer. It's a steam dryer.
Close it. Close it. Give her a little bit of help we can get on this one.
That's real heavy. Do we need to take it over more or not?
We got it, I think. We're gonna try.
We'll find out. Ready?
Let you go get the other one.
You want all these? No. You want those? Black.
No, it's got glass.
Don't know what's in here. What is this? Let me get the. Dryer? Is that-
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
Side of the house.
Oh, okay.
Garbage will only take one at a time, so.
Gotcha.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
You back up in there.
Ooh, it's got the dryer cord on it too.
That was a test, see how much you're pushing. You failed
Doing what I
miraculously. Cut that cord off. back up, get a better tilt. Not near as easy as it looks, is it?
Well, and besides that, I can't do anything with it once I tilt it.
Step back. Hold it. Cool. Cool. Just gonna start doing that, drive around, have people do that. Appreciate you, man. Thank you. You know, there's.
In my way.
That's almost.
Well, quickly.
No, there ain't no
Here comes
quickly
one.
because I can't see shit.
You see now?
I don't care about that way. It's on your side.
Here comes another one. I care.
I got airbags over here. You don't.
Assume you want to put it on its top.
Nope.
You want it up?
Well, you can't put it up there. You raise it up. Can't sit it up on. I think it's just very disorganized in there. Hey, one thing. That one is a catfish rig. Okay, well, that was easy.
You want me to cut it here? Or there? Or do you think you can...
Cord runs through it.
I know it does, but it's also... I can't get it to turn.
It's because it's snapped in. So, cut it there, there. Don't think that's going to help us though. Well, I never thought about that. We have a red mystery box, folks.
It's a good looking box.
If this has got a head in it or something, that's a whole different problem. Give me that plastic thing. Give me that plastic thing.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna
Oh,
do
this is
that.
plastic.
Yeah, they're both plastic.
Throw it in there. it's a stroller.
That would be more.
Because I think I finally found something that you can lift.
I doubt it. That is metal. Yes, it's all metal.
Now put your gloves on. It's going to take longer to put your gloves on. We'll be just pick the shit up and throw it in the truck.
Have you seen how light this is?
Yeah, I wonder if it's aluminum. There's only some way we could find out. Like a magnet.
Oh, there's one. It's aluminum.
How about that? Throw it in the truck. Don't know what that thing is. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom.
Metal or aluminum?
Aluminum is metal.
How about iron or metal?
Magnet. Metal.
Metal.
Trying to run over my ass. So I get a phone call from Ben, the apartment manager guy, cleaner outer from Lexington. Apparently he's got some scrap. It's going to be hitting the dumpster tomorrow. So I may just have to make me a run down there. Pick that up. He's got some copper and some ACRs. That's definitely worth my while to go down and pick up. So that may be my tomorrow evening run. I'm gonna take a toll on the pole. How many of y'all have ate at Jersey Mike's subs? I personally think they suck. I like Penn Station. Richard's Pizza in Hamilton, Ohio does a great steak sandwich. But Jersey Mike's, I ate one time, and that's the last one I ever ate there. They just sucked. Don't like them. So you can give me your opinion, see what you think. That's our poll of the evening. All right, it's joke time, part of my program. And we'll finish up with a laugh. Not that me scrapping and getting hurt didn't laugh enough, but here we go. So this woman is out golfing and she hits her ball, or she slices her ball, I should say, into the woods, deep into the woods. When she's back there to look for it, she finds a frog caught in a trap. When she walks up on the frog looks up at her and tells her, "If you release me from this trap, I will grant you 3 wishes." Without thinking or questioning, the woman freed the frog, and the frog said, "Thank you. But I did fail to mention that there is a condition to all of your wishes. Whatever you wish for, your husband is going to get that times 10. The woman thought about it, and she said, "That's okay. We'll go ahead and do that." And the frog said, "Okay, what is your first wish?" Well, her first wish was she wanted to be the most beautiful woman in the world. And then the frog looked at her and said, "You did understand me when I said there was a condition. Your husband will be 10 times a more beautiful man. He will be the most handsome man in the world. He's going to be Adonis-like that women are going to flock to." And the woman replied, "That's okay, because I'm going to be the most beautiful woman, and he's only going to have eyes for me." So, Kazam, he made her the most beautiful woman in the world. For her second wish, she wanted to be the richest woman in the world. So, Kazam, she's the richest woman in the world. The frog then inquired about her third wish, and she answered, I'd like to have a mild heart attack. The moral of that story is women are clever. Don't mess with them. Now, I have a condition to this story. If you're a female listening to this, you can go ahead and shut the video off. This is where it ends. The joke makes you look very clever, and you can end it feeling good. But if you're a man, keep listening. The man had his heart attack, but it was 10 times milder than his wife. And the moral of that story? Women think they're really smart. Let them continue to think that way and just enjoy the show. One more thing. If you're a woman and you're still watching the end of this video, well, that just goes to show that women never listen either. Have a wonderful evening.
All right. This is our mystery box. Does anybody want to guess what's in it? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, it's a skill saw, which I will take. That's probably one of the better mystery boxes we've had. Master Mechanic in its own box. That's cooler than shit. I'll take it. We'll probably add some stuff to this to take, but filing cabinet, washer dryer, big ass table, a lot of ceiling fans, pressure washer, some of that great white shelving that people always buy and then throw away, and a skill saw in a mystery box. Freaking awesome. Folks, have yourself a wonderful evening. It's a Scrap for Cash, and I am out. Ow! What the hell keeps falling on me?